Welcome back. We almost didn't have a video this week. Almost. We're pressure washing, but we didn't have much pressure.
Yeah, I don't know if it's well water or what, but there's not a lot of pressure. But we'll see how far we get with it.
Be a quick, short video today.
And we also might try to get the rotisserie hooked up today, at least.
That might be another video because we might not have a video in a couple weeks.
Yeah.
Who knows? We might get there, we might not. You'll never know.
All right, just a final little spray out, just to get as much of the crap out as we can. Oh, we run out of water pressure pretty fast, though. Oh, that's why.
We're kinked.
Brand new hose, so.
Okay, should be good.
That's better. That's it for that. Cleaned out all inside here. Pretty nasty nests. I can see a couple spots we got to fix. Let me see if I can get in there good. Well, it's hard to see, but we cleaned it all out. Same thing on the other side. This is where the gas tank sits. This was, if you remember, very full of nest. And then in here as well, pretty clean, pretty clean. We'll take it. We took some templates for the rotisserie. Got to get some more metal, but one will mount here. And the other one, we have to actually remove the steering box and drill some holes on the other side through the frame where the steering box is on the other side, and we should be good. All right. A lot of dirty work today. Kind of a little bit boring stuff, but got all the mouse nests cleaned out. We think.
That we know of.
Yep, because there's still probably some nooks and crannies that we didn't get to. Rotisserie is getting set up. I just got to make a couple of plates. Made some templates.
It'll be another video.
It's going to be another video. But we may add the templates to this video. And then next week we will get it on the rotisserie. And we have to remove the steering box to be able to do that. So then we won't be able to steer anymore. So it's one of those make or break type things that needs to happen. And but getting closer every week. Going to order some metal this week.
Damn.
We're going to order some metal this week. Floors aren't as bad as we originally anticipated and originally thought, but so that should be good. And so we're going to order some floor metal, and once it's on the rotisserie and everything's off, we're going to start welding and stuff. So hopefully it won't be 90 degrees
Yeah.
like it has been.
Yeah.
Most of this is water from the power washer. But it's hot.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Thanks for watching.
Peace.
Like, subscribe. Website down below. Someone hasn't been doing it,
Yeah. Sorry.
but like and subscribe. Bye.